conditions all. First condition is what? Clear now? Clear now what I'm trying to say? Now your RDS may create on any one subnet. I'm choosing default VPC means these two subnets are public or private. Clear, right? Yeah. Let's create, we'll see. You know how to check public or private, right? Yeah, you can go ahead. Let's go to database. Now I'm going to create a RDS now. MySQL. If I select MySQL Aurora, what is the difference? You can see here, you can understand the difference. More read replicas support will be there. We are we are we are connecting this database from where, guys? Some third-party tools, right? If you create MySQL Aurora, here only directly we can connect. Query editor will be support here. Okay. Anyway, let me quickly create. Now focus is on what? Networking. Like we can see one by one options. Okay. Let's go to free tier, single AZ. Anyway, whenever I select free tier, almost one only will select. This two will be disabled. Instance name D. Okay. Admin password. So one more service I'm going to discuss. Secret manager in the coming classes. Okay. Database important one, guys. So this is not a service to finish in one day. Okay, instance time, storage type 20 GB. Don't connect EC to option. Default VPC only, right? Where the subnet group is created, default VPC. This is important now. See, I'm selecting my subnet group, custom subnet. Your RDS, choose these two options only, these two subnets only. These two public or private? Public. Now, if you enable public access, enable means what? RDS SAP based. Systemic ASN means from external. Where is the IP? Invisible. Endpoint will be automatically configured. You don't need to do anything. Subnet even public. If you give access no means not possible to access. Okay, let's give yes no. And existing group, choose existing group default. Availability zone prefer. You can leave it. If I select 1A means 1A subnet only RDS will take at this time. Let's go ahead now. Database 2 is creating now. Database 1 already available. So 1 year region selected, right? So go to network. Which region I'm creating? Mumbai. So let's go to Mumbai. Let's go to Mumbai. VPC subnets. So three subnets, right? So which subnet is 1A? Middle one, right? Middle one. I think my subnet now choose this subnet 01616. This availability zone. Remaining B for standby. Clear? Any questions from anyone? See, route table already attached for routing for this subnet. So this is public. Okay. Clear, networking part is clear now. How to select specific subnet with help of subnet group. Any questions from online? So meanwhile the subnet is creating. So if no questions means I will see the different options here. I will explore the different options here. Any questions from anyone? Online team? Okay, I'm considering silence means no doubts. Any trainer will consider like that only. So silence means yes or no in between. Yeah, no. I don't have black magic to understand. You are yes or no in between or yes or no. While creating subnet group, you can choose your VPC, your subnets. While creation of database, there is no option to choose the data subnet and VPC. I mean, no subnets allocation while creating a RDS. First create a subnet group, then create a. Here you said I'm gonna teach Python. First, our platform. Then we can go for Python and Cobra and something. Okay. For example, okay, I can understand your question is valid. Why I'm saying na guys, first we should strengthen our platform. Then we can see for others platform. If we are always thinking about others platform, indirectly you are losing your platform. Others can come and get a job. First we should strong our area, then go for others area. Definitely we will go for others area. Just give me some time. Okay. First we should strong here. Yeah. Hmm. Refresh. For example, you already created database with enable public access enable. No need to delete database. Go to modify, do the changes. Let's see what and all options are enabled in the modify case. But before that, okay, this database instance is creating, right? Give some time to that. Switch to already created one. Go to modify options. We can see what and all we can see here. Okay, version we can change by modify. Next,
Name.
password we can change to modify. Instance class we can change to modify. Storage also we can change. Uh, Availability zones recommended for production use. Okay, and subnet group also we can change. I think we will see later. Yeah, subnet group. Okay, I'm going to give task to you today. Once create a RDS with subnet group. By modify option, able to change the subnet or not? Try. Okay. But one thing is very clear. It is showing subnet group, right? Custom RDS default. Three subnet groups are exist my end. I'm able to see three subnet groups. But make sure subnet group able to change or not. Try with this. Subnet group should be same VPC. Create one more subnet group, different VPC. Try to switch RDS different VPC subnet group from this subnet group. Is it possible or not? Try. Same subnet, same VPC inside subnet group to other subnet group. Is it possible or not? Try this area so that you will get a good knowledge why RDS is not possible to move across VPC. Same VPC, how it is possible. Like that we can see. Okay. Certificate is pending. Certificate concept is pending. Yeah, available my database too also. It means we can upgrade the database using modify options while DB is running, no doubt. Yeah, answer is mostly yes. Upgradation means again so many upgradations are there. I'm going to show you. Okay. Meanwhile, yeah. So my database 2 is running. Let's check which availability zone. We define it 1 year only, right? So how many subnets it is choosing? Two. Subnet group contains two subnets only, right? But you need to understand very important thing. My and also security group is also taking this one. Which subnet at this time my database is using 1 year availability zone inside subnet. Understand? These two subnets are for same availability zone or different availability zone? Huh? Different agent. Okay. Now let's go to check here. 1 year availability zone inside subnet only one. Okay. You may get a doubt. In 1 year availability zone, if one or two or three subnets are there at that time, we are not defining right subnet group time. See, subnet group time, while creating time, while choose a VPC, while choose the availability zone, here you need to choose the subnets. In your 1A, yes, 10 subnets are there. Remaining subnets were remaining process, but RDS should be landed which subnet you should select here only. But RDS is, I'm able to see Vira, RDS is selecting 1A, right? Which means all subnets. Yeah, 1A means which means all subnets. In 1A availability on all subnets? No, whatever you, okay. So publicly accessible is, yes. Let's try to connect this by using workbench and all, or any option we have PG admin. We can connect from EC2 instance also. I will show in the coming classes. Now only I will go. So let's go to the connection. Here you can give any connection name, no problem. Host name means what?
Endpoint.
Endpoint. Admin root is admin. Password I have declared R20. Then test connection. Successful. So connection successful. You no need to run any query and all, just for understanding purpose. Let's go and okay now. Duplicate name what and all. Okay, just go to RDS now. Go to modify. This option, I think additional storage configuration. Somewhere this option is there. Publicly accessible. Additional configuration. Okay. In additional configuration, no public accessible. Continue. Modify DB instance. Okay. Again, guys, refresh. Still, it is modifying. No need to skip. Modify. Wait for some time. All right. Let's go and again try to connect. Yeah, now I think you got it right. While modifying them, DB will be down. Failed to connect. Why? Public IP disabled. Network connect. But user unable to connect the target. There is no destination IP to reach there. Clear now. Publicly access enable means IP will clear the networking part. Publicly accessible. I think you know how to insert the data, right? No need to show right again. How to insert the data, how to run query. That's your wish, guys. What level you are going to learn, your wish. In the query level. Okay. I'm just showing a platform. Then your wish later. I'm showing you here 4 5 queries. Then you can go, if you want, you can go for remaining queries or delete, as this is not our job. Queries and all insert data. Yeah, DB team only. Database support query editor, create a database. Okay, I got it. This is my database, right? I think again we need to modify. Or I'll do one thing, guys. Let me show you to connect database internally. As database already private, right? How to connect internally. I'm coming to that part only. You are asking the same question. Very good. Let's go to that EC2. My database running in Mumbai, right? Server should create in Mumbai same VPC, right? Launching one server. Amazon Linux, T2 Micro, taking any
ನಿಮಗೆ
IP,
ನೋಡ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರು ಆಕಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರು
common security, default.
ತೋಲ್ ಲಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾರಿಗಳವ ಅಂತ
Do I need to select same availability zone
ಹಿಂಗೊಬ್ರೊಬ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬೆಳ್ಳಗೂ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ
for
ಹಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೋ
EC2 also from where we
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
are
ಹಂಗೆ
connecting
ಹಂಗೆ
to
ಲಕ್ಷಣ
database,
ಇರ್ತಾವ
or any availability zone is fine.
ಹಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
Understand my question here? My backend application is running inside one EC2 division. That EC2 should be there in same AZ or different AZ also. Different AZ also. But the primary thing is what here? VPC should be same. Network, same network means the same VPC. Let's go to now. I'm choosing default VPC in the Mumbai for this time.
ಹಾಂ ನಾಡ್ದಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಗೋಣಿ
Launch instance. My instance is running in
ನಾಡ್ದಿಗೆ
1B
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು
agent.
ಇವತ್ತು ತರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರು ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು
Yes,
ಹಾಲು ತಂದ್ರೆ
if you
ಆಯ್ತು
want to connect
ಹಾಕ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದ
database from any server, the command is hostnet. That means endpoint hyphen u means username hyphen key and key. Enter give the password here. This is the process, guys, to connect. How the now let's connect this public server, subnet default server. Okay. Now command is what, guys? MySQL hyphen h means endpoint hyphen u username hyphen p password. For example, if I give enter, what is the response? Which command? Starting. Actually, these arguments also wrong. There is no endpoint username. Just I'm giving or what? First, to run this command inside this server, MySQL should install. Clear? Yeah. MySQL command is not found. For example, Python could, if you want to write, Python should be installed. Java could want to execute, Java should be installed. Now I'm going to run this command to connect some destination database. In this case, I need to install what? MySQL. Simple way is there to install MySQL instead of running 4 or 5 commands. Those commands also there, I'll share everything. Simple command is you run like this: m install MariaDB 105 server hyphen y. I will tell you why. So in Linux class you can understand m means what here? Linux inside package manager. In the m package manager, there is no directly MySQL packages are dot place. MariaDB packages are there. When you install MariaDB, MySQL also will install. Understand? That's what I'm taking MariaDB help. You don't confuse why you are installing MariaDB. I'm not doing any practice with MariaDB. To install MySQL, just I'm running this command. Shortcut. But if you want to only install MySQL, there is a separate process. Wget command first, 4 5 commands you need to run. Anyway, focus is not how to install MySQL anyway. Focus is to connect from here to RDS. Clear now? Hmm. Run MySQL command. Okay, so I need to start the process, right? Okay, even I'm not. Let's try MySQL hyphen h endpoint is what? Database endpoint. Take this one, paste hyphen u admin hyphen p. Password is asking, right? Give your password. I'm inside of where?
MySQL.
Inside server or RDS inside? Yeah, I'm inside of RDS now, not inside of EC2. Clear the concept now? From here also, I can create tables. First process is what? Create database. Name is I'm giving test. Any database name. Query OK one selected, right? Next, if you want to create any table, first, yeah, create table. In this case, select a database first. Select which database? Test. So that database, anyway, select spelling. Hey, sorry, use command. Yeah, thanks. Someone already shared. Use, not test. Select. Okay, database is changed. Use. Now create table. How to create? You can take a script from anywhere in your other browsers, right? So we can take help from ChatGPT also. Create table on test database. Simple query. Don't take a big queries. Practice is not queries. Practice and connection. I'm taking this. Here, we no need to select again the table. I mean, create a table. No need to go database there. Test dot something. Why? Already command I given use test. Okay. So whatever I'm going to run, all are able to run inside the test only. Query okay, right? So how to check database? Command is shell commands. These are show databases. There is no UI, right? User interface to click database to check or not. Test database are there or not? Show tables. Users table created or not? Yes. Now this is publicly accessible or not? This database. Is database publicly accessible? Let's connect this database from external. Okay, I will see this data is there or not in the RDS. Right or not? Let's click on the database. Endpoint. Think database. Everything. Let's see endpoint here. I've been here. I'm giving here cloud 123. My passwords are there. Okay. Anyway, failed connection. Let's go to here. Guys, okay. Let me take a new slide. Right. Okay, this is understanding slide. Right. Yeah. For example, my RDS is running now. This situation, my RDS is running in different VPC. My EC2 is able to connect or not? Let's prove now. Okay. In this case, what should I do? Instead of creating RDS different region, can I create server in different region? Yeah. Let's go to US, North Virginia. In this case, server is running, right? Let's connect now. Already server is there, my end. Anyway, instance connect. I'm going to install MySQL first in this server. Understand, two servers, one server is in Mumbai, one server is in US, not related to same network, right? How to install minstall MariaDB 105 server hyphen y. What is the command? MySQL hyphen H endpoint here. Different server. This is hyphen U admin hyphen P asking password. Tell me, able to connect or not? Huh? No, why? What? Answer is what? First, you have to explain. Yeah, both are not in same network. But still, yes, but I need connection from here. Then what should I do? RDS should enable public access. Then how the request will travel? If RDS is enable public access, how the request will travel? One VPC. Let's meanwhile second time you can check. Yeah, enable public access. Let's go to now. You are here, right? Give the same command up arrow. Give the password now. Clear now? Enter. Same. Successful man. Go to OK. So this is the one. Now you can check. Test database already there. Inserted from where? Insert instance. Users also created. Columns also there. Clear the concept now? Okay. This is networking concepts of database. MySQL client. Again, I'm inside of EC2 instance. Okay. Amazon EC2 instance type. I'm giving authology. Okay. Security group default. Creating a server. Yeah. So connect now. Yes. Now, what is DB and EC2 concept actually? DB and EC2. If I use, do I need RDS or not required? Hmm? I'm saying RDS means server someone can access, someone can manage. The someone means cloud providers. Clear or not? But I'm the person to take care everything from the scratch. No cloud providers involvement. In this case, not required, right? This instance I'm converting into database instance completely. Application server means what? Where the application is running. Web server is means where the web application is running. Database server where the database is running. Clear now? Okay. But before we already tried by using MySQL, I connect the RDS. There, how to see EC2 is a application connecting to RDS. We are not storing any data in that instance. That EC2 is not a database instance. The database inside MySQL client I have installed. MySQL client means to connect RDS server. Now tell me simple thing. MySQL Workbench is a client or MySQL server? Client to establish a connection between my laptop to RDS server. If I run any query, data is not stored in the MySQL Workbench. It's stored into RDS. Now my MySQL Workbench is my EC2 before. Before. Before I connected from one EC2 to RDS, right? There how you can see EC2 is a client. Like a MySQL Workbench. Just see like that only. Are we going to store any data? No. Just to connect other database from internally, I'm using MySQL. Some EC2 I am taking. Why MySQL I have installed there? To run MySQL command. MySQL quickly shall I run commands? Even 5 minutes, maybe it will take more time. No problem, right? 12:05. No problem, right? Any problem, huh? Okay. Debian EC2 process. Okay. Let's run all the commands quickly. I will show only 4 commands only. These are all great database commands and all only. Okay. I'm installing is what first now? MySQL. MySQL now in recently AWS 2023 Linux servers they are updating DNF repository also like M. Don't confuse M DNF. Two repositories they are maintaining. Few updates in DNF, few updates in M. MySQL comes under DNF repository. That's what using DNF install. Inside M, MySQL is not configured. So install process will different guys. So many things. We are installing. No one will ask. Even someone may ask me to install, we can check in Google only, we will try only. Installation part is only one time job. Don't think much. Okay. You can run 4 commands one time also. Parallel it will execute. I mean series it will execute one by one, one by one, one by one. If everything is good. Yes, I need to give. Again one more as second command is. One more as for third command. One more as for fourth. If you can give I4 fine, no need to give. Yeah, yeah. Now you can see guys. What is the difference between MySQL client, MySQL server? If you know the difference, you can easily understand. Client will help to establish the connection. Server is where we can store the data. Clear now? But before case, when I'm installing MariaDB, at the time client only install. The reason server is not required, we are not storing any data inside the EC2. RDS is there. But now, no RDS. This is database, this is client and all. Just give me 10 minutes of time. I will complete, so I'll give the work to you. Still, if you are facing any issues, tomorrow also I will repeat, don't worry. Okay. Yeah, MySQL version, if you want to check, you can check. Yeah, version 8.0.41, right? Even RDS also. 41 also there. Same. Let's go to now. Okay. So I'm going to start the MySQL process, systemctl, MySQL D. We should give D. Let's close this also. To start the MySQL server also install right? How to start? Like HTTP server only. Done. If you want to check the status, running active, MySQL server is running means you can easily work with MySQL server now. To store the data, to retrieve the data, anything. MySQL server already running. So are you able to run MySQL commands now? Queries also? Yes, server is running the background, right? Okay. The next command, if you require, you can enable also. Just interact with your main server. Optional one only. Hmm. Next process is here. MySQL server is running, right? You know, right? Any database username password is required, right? So the initial password stores in this path. The MySQL server. We need to retrieve from there. Initial password. So get initial password. Sudo grep. Grep is a Linux command. Inside these files, grep temporary password, taking temporary password from this fancy. This is the one temporary password. Copy, oh, copy. So store somewhere, no temporary password. Okay. Next is what? Connect MySQL run below command. So now no need my hyphen h, right? Target no self only the database running. So not required h. By default, username is the root here. Understand? In the server inside, if you are doing anything, by default, this one. Clear now? H not required. Target is also same server. Password. Password is what? Temporary password already there, right? You are unable to see the password after typing here. See, you are inside of where now? Easy to insert database only, not RDS, right or not? Let's create a database, huh? Error. What is error? You can't do anything operations with temporary password. Change your password. This is at the time of login password, temporary password. If you can create anything, not secure, right? Initial password. Everyone can see the initial password. If you can open the server, get password means they can also see. So what system is saying? First change your password. Then you can do anything. How to change the password? Alter user identified by a password. This is the command. So root localhost means username. Identified by, I'm giving this password now. Okay. You can change any password also. Query okay, right? After changing the password to enable, you need to run refresh privileges. Immediately it will apply. That's it only. These two changes you need to do. Now my password is this one. My custom password. You can give any password here. Now again, you can create a, or you can exit from here, or you can run also. Let's create a database now from directly here. Create test. See, I'm able to run a password is this one. If you exit from here, again log in with the same password, not initial password. Now use the test. Database change, right? Now create table, same process, right? You can take a table script from here. You can take any table. That also there, insert the MySQL. Now, okay, if DB is running on EC2, what kind of challenges we can face, write in your book and update today in the Telegram group itself. Okay, if DB is running on RDS, DB is running on EC2. Differentiate and write pros and cons. If anyone use the chat GPT, I can easily understand. I'll inform to Navin, check the first chat GPT answers. If anyone gives the same answers, we can easily try. Right, understand. This is very important in the point of view. Okay. Now, last 2 minutes. Okay. You may get a doubt. Can we connect? Here, writing queries are very difficult. Let's connect MySQL workbench. Connect option. Here, connection name I'm giving EC2. Here, I'm giving or SSH. Okay. Again, challenge is MySQL on EC2. This key is there or not, my end? US East 1 PEP. there. Yeah, how to connect DP and EC2 from used by third party tool. Okay, first you can set change. Next, host name means IP of your server. Clear now? Username is what? Root. SSH key file, upload. US East 1. Okay. Next, password for what? Huh? Password for what? You are connecting directly server inside what? MySQL database. This is MySQL root. Password is what? Could not connect. What happened? Huh? Password wrong. Huh? No. This is MySQL password, guys. This is your server password. Server password. Why it is opening here? Where is SSH pass? Okay, I have given already, right? Just wait. Huh? Okay. Password is what? Copy, paste. Something we are missing. Just wait. Huh? SSH username is EC2. This is okay. Let's wait. Port, port. Our port is enabled. Let's try again. EC2 something here or SSH, right? Sorry. Or SSH, right? Okay. Host name is what here? Correct IP given or not? Yeah. Public IP. Okay. User is what here? EC2 hyphen user. Password is what? Download ec2.pem. No, US used. I think doubt on this only. See, that's what the problem. Multiple is there. I don't know. Anyway, let's try. Keep as is all. Let's go here. Give the password of your database. This is the one. Are you sure connect? Are you want to connect? Yes. Okay, I'll do one thing. Keys doubt. My keys. Yeah, I think use pem.1. But process is same. You can try. You are able to connect easily. Let's go and check the key. US East 1.pem only. Maybe here the problem is. Okay, anyway, you can try your end. So give the username here. Give the